I'm the Vice President of St. Francis Square Group of Companies, and I'm based in Mandaluyong City, Ortigas Center, Mandaluyong City. We are St. Francis Square Group of Companies. Under that arm, we have aircon and TV. So our aircon is AUX Aircon. It's the exclusive distributor in the Philippines for split type the aircon.
Alright.
And also HKTV, which is our own brand of TV.
Let's talk about the target market of your products. Two products. One, aircon, and the other one is the TV.
The target market is basically the same. It's residential, class ABC for the family, Filipino families.
And your future plans, what do we look forward?
Well, because the AUX Aircon, what makes it different is really the 5-year warranty on the products. Other brands only have 2 to 1 year, 1 to 2 years of warranty. But the quality of the HKTV is really okay.